Subscribe to our channel for such videos. So we are checking out today 2 BHK new project which is beside Grovel's Mall, nearby Grovel's Mall and station. So this is the location beside Grovel's Mall. We have entering the Grovel's Mall 101. So this is the project. 2 BHK possession is in December 2022 and that's the location beside Grovel's 101 Mall. So this is the actual lobby. You will be getting this type of lobby. This will be as it is. In the last video you must have saw the 1 BHK. Now we will be checking 2 BHK. The elevation, that is ground plus 2 podium plus 19 floors residential tower. That's the view from the top. We have all the amenities, car parking space and 2 wings in the tower. So we'll be checking 2 BHK empty flat as well as flat with furniture. So let's check the flat without furniture, empty flat first. This is 640 around carpet area flat, 2 BHK in an amazing tower. So you can see amazing project 2 BHK. That's the view. We'll be getting the entire open view, the National Park hill view or the city view. Up to you, whatever you want. Just take a look from here. That's the spacious, capacious living room. That's the dining space, and here is the kitchen area. You'll be getting as it is lower cabinets. So you can have a look. This can be your washing machine space. That's the plug given. And this can be your refrigerator area. This is the dining space, the spacious one. Let's check out the common bedroom. It's very spacious. That's the beauty of this project. Construction quality bang on and the super spacious flats. And this is a freehold land project. That's your view. That's open view. There's no obstruction. That's the beauty. That can be a wardrobe space. Let's enter the common bathroom. Look at the fittings, the tiling work. Everything interior is on point. So let's go towards the master bedroom. Has 2 balconies, 2 windows, the French one. That's the beauty. You can open, you'll get the cross ventilation. That is exactly people looking out for. Cross ventilation, open light, super spacious, space utilization properly done, and wind. That's it. And the Vastu compliant. Everything is bang on in this project. Location, everything. So now let's check the master bathroom. This is the master bathroom where you have all the fittings done. This will be as it is. You will be getting this is the empty flat. Whatever you have seen. This is the sample flat. Whatever you have seen, you will get as it is. So let's check the view. You're getting 2 views, which is nearby metro stop as well. So we'll check the flat which has furniture in it. You will get this proper space utilization idea. Let's check the flat with furniture. That's your TV unit space. And that's your dining space. What can be done, you'll get an idea over here. That's it. That's the view above. You'll get the entire open view. Let's take a wide view from here. Now we'll go towards the kitchen. You'll be getting the lower cabinets. This will be your refrigerator area, and that side will be your washing machine area. So now let's check the bedrooms now. 2 BHK, 640 around carpet. This will be your dining space area. Now let's check. This is the common or the kids bedroom. You can have a look at the TV unit space and the huge spacious bed. They have kept it proper space utilization. You'll get an idea. So now we'll take a wide view from here. That's the wardrobe. That's a spacious wardrobe they have kept. So let's check the bathroom here. That will be same as it is. Vastu compliant flat. So let's check the master bedroom. You can widen your bed over here. Still the space will be there. It's a huge spacious 2 BHK master bedroom. Let's take a wider room. So that's the wardrobe space. You can make as it is you want. This is the master toilet. You'll be getting as it is. Contact for all the details of this project. 2 BHK in new project nearby Grovel's 101 Mall.